So my hair is freshly washed and dried, and I go ahead and brush through my hair just because it does get a little bit tangled after I blow dry it, and I go ahead and get started. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a section of my hair. I pretty much only grab about 1 inch of hair, and then I just curl outwards. So I'll go ahead and twirl it once and then just kind of let it go. My hair curls pretty quickly and easily, so I don't leave it on the iron for too long. Then I just go to the next section and I just comb through with my iron one time, then I curl. I do this just to give the hair strands a little bit of heat before I go in, kind of straightening it out and smoothing it out. I try to leave my ends out to keep it straight, but sometimes I accidentally curl it just without knowing. But do your best to keep your ends straight, at least 1 inch or 2, just because that will give that full beach wave effect. And when I'm finally done with that section, I go to the next side and I'm gonna curl outwards this side. So therefore it will be opposite. This side in particular, I have a little bit more hair. I don't know if it's just the way I parted throughout the years or for some reason I just have more hair on this side. So I kind of grab bigger sections just because I feel like, I think by this time I'm just really like trying to finish. This side, the curls might be a little bit fuller and thicker, but that's okay because at the end, everything will blend together anyway. So this oil from Kerastase, I think that's how you call it, is a game changer. It seriously is like my favorite oil. It's so lightweight and it doesn't weigh down my hair or make it look greasy. I apply it after I wash my hair when it's towel dried, but I also apply it now when I comb through and break the curls. So this has really made my hair and my curls look super shiny and healthy, even though my hair is definitely color treated and chemically bleached, therefore, you know, obviously damaging my hair, but it's definitely been such a game changer and making my hair last and look really good. So you can kind of see the back of the hair. It's definitely more beachy, messy waves, but that's exactly how I like it. So thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.